I have two really old desktop computers to destroy, the Lenovo and HP. And really what I'm going to do is donate them to Best Buy, but I got to destroy the hard drives. Here's what one looks like destroyed. I'll show you what you can do with this data. Takes a lot of parts to get that off, so let's take a look at the other one. And step one is to remove these star screws. It's a really tiny bit. It won't fit in the drill, so I have a little hand set. Both of these drives won't boot, but that doesn't mean there's not data on there that can be reclaimed. So when you hear people say destroyed their hard drives, this gives you an idea what has to be done for each one. So now we have those screws that have come off. You see on the side some kind of controller. You got to get this metal top off. If you are just getting rid of a laptop or computer, you really need to make sure that drive is scrubbed or you destroy it. Okay, get a ton of little screw heads. There's two different size star screws. Just going to start taking apart everything. Surprisingly, this looks just like the last drive I took apart. I believe they're Seagate drives. This one's being a little painful. It could be a problem. Might have to get pliers to get that off. But we'll see. Maybe not. This thing, you got the little glass things in, and there's just a ton of little screw heads. I'll probably put a lot of them on here just so that it stays tight and balanced. These things have to be perfect alignment to be read. Got a little reader here, optical reader. Handwritten. Oh, there we go. One plier. I'm going to repurpose these. I'm going to put a link below. These will make great little inserts into your car seam. Put a phone clamp in here and to hold your phone up so you don't have to clamp onto your AC vent. I'll put a link to below where I made those. Okay, and you can just trash all this stuff. That's it. We'll throw all this away. We'll probably keep all the screws for whatever reason. We got the 3 data plates. Simple. One set into the trash can. And another drive parts to the trash. This is what I made before. I'll put a link below. But it's my best way to hold my phone in my car. And what you can do, you're just going to throw the platters away, just lightly or heavily brush them with sandpaper to destroy them. Get rid of the data on there, it can't be read. You can see I scratched this one up.